Hi guys, today on Cool Product, we're counting down the top 5 best Android smart TV box to upgrade your home entertainment with smarter streaming, faster performance, and stunning visuals. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Nexi Q17 Android Smart TV Box. Transform your ordinary TV into a powerful smart entertainment hub with the Nexi Q17 Android Smart TV Box. This compact device brings cutting-edge features to deliver an exceptional viewing and streaming experience right in your living room. Experience stunning visuals with HDR10 High Dynamic Range technology. HDR10 enhances every scene, making colors more vibrant, contrasts deeper, and details sharper. Whether you're watching movies, sports, or your favorite shows, the picture appears remarkably vivid and beautiful, drawing you deeper into the action. Navigate effortlessly with smarter voice control. Simply pick up the remote and use one-click voice operation. Say what you want, and the Nexi Q17 responds instantly. Search for content, open apps, or control playback without typing or scrolling. Stay connected seamlessly thanks to Bluetooth 5.4. This advanced version ensures faster pairing, more stable connections, and greater energy efficiency. It outperforms older Bluetooth standards, providing a smoother, more reliable experience when linking wireless peripherals like headphones, game controllers, or soundbars. Bluetooth 5.4 also offers broad compatibility with a wide range of devices. Enjoy blazing fast internet with dual-band 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi support. Switch to the 5 GHz band for quicker network speeds and reduced interference, perfect for 4K streaming, online gaming, or downloading large files without buffering delays. Share your memories like never before with wonderful multi-screen interaction. The Nexi Q17 supports casting from mobile phones, tablets, and other devices. Effortlessly project videos, photos, or presentations onto your TV's big screen to relive and share wonderful moments with family and friends. The Nexi Q17 Android Smart TV Box combines advanced technology with user-friendly features to elevate your home entertainment. Upgrade today and unlock a world of vivid visuals, intuitive control, and seamless connectivity. Next up, at number 4, we have the Pixbox T95 Max Android Smart TV Box. The Pixbox T95 Max Android Smart TV Box transforms your regular television into a powerful entertainment hub. Running on the latest Android 14, it delivers a sleek, modern interface with rounded shapes and vibrant, colorful visuals that make navigation intuitive and enjoyable. At its core, the T95 Max excels in video performance with full 8K video decoding. This advanced capability produces stunningly sharp details, richer colors, and more realistic images, allowing you to experience movies, shows, and videos with breathtaking clarity on compatible displays. The Ultra HD 8K output further enhances the viewing experience, bringing cinematic quality right into your living room on a big screen. Connectivity reaches new heights with built-in Wi-Fi 6 technology. This next-generation wireless standard provides faster speeds, reduced latency, greater network capacity, and improved security, ensuring smooth streaming, quick downloads, and stable performance even in busy home networks. The device also offers seamless Bluetooth integration, making it easy to connect multiple accessories. Pair wireless speakers, headsets, or other Bluetooth equipment effortlessly to customize your audio setup and elevate your leisure time. With its combination of cutting-edge decoding, modern operating system, high-speed wireless, and versatile connectivity, the Pixbox T95 Max redefines smart TV entertainment for immersive, high-definition enjoyment. Taking the third spot is the Lvmao G96 Max Android Smart TV Box. Transform your regular TV into a powerful entertainment hub with the Lvmao G96 Max Android Smart TV Box. Running on the latest Android 13.0 operating system, this device offers a seamless and intuitive user experience, opening up a vast world of apps, games, streaming services, and content suitable for the entire family. Android 13.0 brings enhanced privacy protections, ensuring your data stays secure while you browse and stream. At its core, the G96 Max is powered by the high-performance RK3528 chipset, featuring a quad-core ARM Cortex-A35 processor. This robust hardware delivers smooth multitasking and rapid response times for all your entertainment needs. Enjoy stunning visuals with support for 4K video playback and 8K video decoding, bringing crystal clear picture quality and immersive details to your screen. Whether watching movies, sports, or family videos, every moment feels vivid and captivating. Connectivity is faster and more reliable thanks to Wi-Fi 6 technology, providing higher speeds and greater stability for uninterrupted streaming and downloads. Dive deeper into entertainment with built-in 3D technology support, creating a more lively and engaging viewing experience that draws you into the action. The Lvmao G96 Max also features a rich selection of interfaces, including multiple ports for easy connection to peripherals, sound systems, and storage devices. This versatility makes setup and operation incredibly convenient. Elevate your home entertainment with the Lvmao G96 Max, a smart, powerful, and future-ready TV box designed for endless enjoyment. Coming in at number 2 is the Optobox T95 Plus Android Smart TV Box. The Optobox T95 Plus Android Smart TV Box transforms ordinary televisions into powerful smart entertainment hubs, delivering stunning visuals and seamless performance for modern viewing needs. At its core, the device features advanced image processing that provides enhanced dynamic range and richer details, allowing content to closely mirror real-world visuals. Powered by a 64-bit quad-core A53 CPU, it offers exceptional decoding capabilities, including smooth hardware decoding of 6K high-definition video for crisp, immersive playback. Connectivity options make sharing content effortless. By connecting your mobile phone to the box under the same Wi-Fi network, you can instantly push pictures and videos from your device directly to the large TV screen, creating a wonderful same-screen experience for family gatherings or presentations. The included Air Mouse remote enhances control with practical features. It supports 2.4G wireless connection via a simple plug-and-play USB receiver, offering reliable operation from up to 10 meters away. Voice control is built in. Simply press the voice button on the remote to quickly search for channels or content, making navigation easy and convenient. Designed with user comfort in mind, the remote has an ergonomic arc shape at the back that fits perfectly in your palm. With 17 keys, it allows intuitive control of volume, page scrolling, and mouse functions, so you can relax on the couch and enjoy effortless operation. The Optobox T95 Plus combines high-performance hardware, smart connectivity, and thoughtful design to deliver a fluid, enjoyable smart TV experience right in your living room. And finally, our top pick, the Blkj T1 Android Smart TV Box. Elevate your home entertainment with the Blkj T1 Android Smart TV Box, a versatile device that transforms any ordinary TV into a powerful smart hub. Running on the cutting-edge Android TV 14 operating system, it delivers seamless access to a vast world of apps, streaming services, and video content. Integrated Google Assistant allows effortless voice control, making it simple to search for shows, adjust settings, or get answers hands-free. With Chromecast built in, you can easily stream your favorite entertainment, photos, and apps directly from your phone, tablet, or laptop to the big screen for an immersive viewing experience. The Blkj T1 supports advanced 8K UHD resolution with HDR10 Plus technology and a high-speed 8K at 60 FPS decoding engine. Compliant with HDMI 2.1a standards, it ensures smooth playback of ultra-high-definition content, bringing stunning clarity, vibrant colors, and realistic images to your screen. Perfect for home entertainment, home theater setups, business presentations, or everyday use, the Blkj T1 opens up endless possibilities. Browse diverse video resources, enjoy greater app compatibility, and experience the latest in smart TV technology. Upgrade your viewing today with the Blkj T1 and unlock a smarter, more exciting world of entertainment. What an amazing lineup! If you want to grab any of these powerful smart TV boxes, check the price link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Cool Product for more great videos.